Guys, look at this joystick, how it's working. What's up fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be showing you how I got spoofer settings for my Pokemon Go game, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Ablo. Then type in search Pokemon Go and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Pokemon Go trainer code. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. I pasted my here already. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our extra features that we want to add to our account, guys. I will select everything so we can test if it actually works. Down here we have location custom, so if you want custom location you can paste it here. I don't really need it. I will just click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Pokemon Go game, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and more websites with the new update. For now, this Apple is an amazing website. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step. The last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. With the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting tags. Guys, if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Extra features are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So guys, okay, I see the change. So we have this little star here. Let me see. Okay, and guys, as you can see, all features have been added successfully. So let me click here, let me change the speed and let me test. Guys, look at this joystick, how it's working. Amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.